I'm so glad you're here. I've got all these oils I want to talk about. Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with Aroma Institute. Thanks for coming back to watch our channel. Today I want to talk about something that you probably have experienced at least one time in your life, and that's back pain. So today I want to talk about essential oils for back pain. Now, most of us have experienced it at least once in our life, where we've had that dull, achy feeling in our back due to a strain or possibly an injury. Sometimes we get it while we're pregnant. Other times it could just be from physical exertion or exercise and we just didn't move right. Or maybe it's from being overweight. There's so many reasons for it. And so I want to talk about how we can use essential oils if you've already tried over-the-counter medicine, which aren't to cure, but just simply to relieve the pain. Well, essential oils can maybe help you with that. Now, one of the most common ingredients that they have found beneficial with natural extracts is called methyl salicylate. And this particular component is in wintergreen and other oils that are similar, where they have that cooling effect, can sometimes bring relief to a backache. So I'm going to talk about some of the oils that you may have already in your medicine cabinet that you could possibly maybe make a muscle rub or a blend with. The first is peppermint. Now, again, this one has such a cooling effect on the body, as well as it offers an analgesic effect. And this one is great to use for joints and muscles and aches. Another one is wintergreen. Now, wintergreen also has that soothing effect on pain. It can help relieve joint aches. Now, frankincense is another one that actually can help soothe and promote, maybe even quiet down and cool inflammation, and also help with releasing that ache associated with the backache. Another oil that you might want to try is cypress. Now, cypress is known to be helpful in promoting good circulation, as well as tissue repair. And my last oil that I want to mention is turmeric. Now, turmeric is a great oil. It also is great in supplement form, where you can get it at a health food store and take it for inflammation. Turmeric also contains a component that is beneficial for bringing that cooling effect to the body, help with promoting healing and taking away the inflammation, and soothe those muscles. So you have several oils that you can use for making your rub. You can use cypress, turmeric, frankincense, wintergreen, and peppermint. And those are the 5 oils that I think are probably going to be the most beneficial for helping you with aches and pains and maybe some of that back pain. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, would you give us a thumbs up? We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and stay with us, so we'll see you next time.